This outdoor extender brings the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard outside, delivering very high throughput that easily handles ultra-high-definition streaming and demanding online gaming on modern devices. Its combination of dual-band operation and multiple spatial streams gives stable connections across crowded wireless environments, even when many phones, cameras, and laptops are active at once. The long-range fiberglass antennas and built-in amplifiers project a strong signal across large yards, farms, or parking areas, so dead zones around buildings are greatly reduced. Power over Ethernet support simplifies installation by letting you run a single network cable for both data and power, which is especially helpful when mounting the unit high on a wall or pole. Flexible operating modes let this unit act as a mesh node, access point, router, or repeater, so it can slot into an existing network or form the backbone of a new outdoor setup. Rugged weather sealing, electrostatic protection, and lightning resistance make it well suited for harsh climates where cheaper plastic extenders would fail early.